The Royal Moroccan Armed Forces has ordered 200 Cobra II armored vehicles from Turkish defense company Otokar. Referred to in December by Otokar as an order from abroad, the deal is estimated to be worth $136 million. Essential spare parts, maintenance support, and training for vehicle operators are also covered by the contract. Around 20 of the Cobra II vehicles are set to be deployed as part of Morocco's contribution to UN peacekeeping operations. Delivery of the vehicles is scheduled to start by the end of 2024 and end in 2025. The Cobra II is a 6-cylinder diesel engine vehicle used mainly for security and peacekeeping operations as well as border protection. It can carry up to 9 people, including a driver and commander. Its design focuses on modular weapon and defense integration, allowing it to adapt to newer technologies for stronger firepower and defense. In Ukraine, it has been seen as an effective countermeasure against improvised explosive devices and landmines due to its mine-resistant ambush-protected armor. Cobra II 4x4 Tactical Wheeled Armored Vehicle is a modular platform with superior technical and tactical features developed in line with the forward-looking requirements of the Allied countries and the Turkish Armed Forces. In addition to its superior mobility, Cobra II, it offers increased ballistic and mine protection, large internal volume and high carrying capacity. Cobra II can take part in many missions, including border protection, internal security and peacekeeping operations, thanks to its wide range of weapon integration and mission equipment options. Thanks to Cobra II modular structure, it can be adapted to different missions where personnel carrier, weapon platform, CBRN reconnaissance, ground surveillance radar, internal security, ambulance and command control vehicle configurations are needed.